Hello guys, welcome back. Once we want to add 0 in front of numbers, 0 will disappear, like this. In this video tutorial, we will learn how to add leading zeros in Excel. Let us begin. We will explain two most common ways to add leading zeros in Excel. Select the cells from number section, more number formats, choose custom. From here, how many digits you want, you can write, for example, 4 digits. Okay, here I want to write 01 as we added 4 digits. This is the first way. On the second way, select the cells, again from number section, more number formats, choose text. Okay, now if you want to add 0, it will be added. In case 2, in the top left corner of the cell, Excel gives us a green triangular. Select the cells, click here, ignore error. We have used two most common ways to add leading zeros in Excel. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video to be helpful. For more daily tips and tricks, subscribe us and don't forget to like the video.